Hi friends, today I want to show you this coffee maker that I buy in Amazon. It's beautiful, as you can see. It's practice. The size is perfect to any place of your home. This is the jar. You can make 12 cups of coffee, as you can see. This is the tap that works perfectly. We used it today already for a coffee break in our meeting. And as you can see in this part, you can check the level of water. And as you can see, we have here the coffee and the filter. This is the filter that comes with your coffee maker. And this is the other part. So both are so easy to clean. You can clean all your coffee maker so easy. And you just put this here, you put the water inside in this part. You close, and you have just to turn it on with this button right here, and ready. You can take your coffee when this all ready and hot. See you.